Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell furniture on a Dubizzle. First thing I want you to do is log into your Dubizzle account and then just come here at the top right and click on place your ad. From here, when you get a security check, just click on I am a human, and then what I need you to do is pick a category. From here, what you need to do is click here classifieds, and then you need to choose how you want to sell your item. You can either sell with AI, where you just simply take a picture of your furniture where you upload it right here, or you can do a classic ad post. So I'll enter all the details myself. I'll click here classic ad post, and then I'll go ahead and add a short title to describe my listing. So make your title informative and attractive. So for me, I have this one. So it's an antique federal style, hutch cabinet, vintage. We have this for the dining room, and I have given more details. For example, that there is some cosmetic damage to it. Then we'll have photos for that. You want to be honest with your listing so you don't have issues later on. I will be very upfront and transparent. So click here on let's go, and now we need to pick a category. So it has detected that it's a furniture under cupboards and cabinets, and it's a collectible, it's an antique. So they've chosen that for us. We can pick something else as well if you want. So I'll pick this category, right? Of course, you can do home and garden, cabinets. I'll just stick with cabinets so it has a wider reach. And then you add pictures. So come here, click on add pictures, and then we'll go over here to our images, click on this folder, and then I'll go ahead, use all of these images, click on open, and they're all being uploaded. As you can see, all of them are currently being uploaded, and you can go ahead and have your contact number here so they can contact you. There we go. Now they'll ask you if you want to either show or hide your phone number. So I'll leave it at show phone so they can immediately contact me. And then here it says price. So enter the price that you want to sell this one at. I'll do 2,200 dirhams. And now you want to describe your furniture. Use keywords for this and try to be as honest as possible. As you can see, and I have put in the price, and I've mentioned that it is negotiable. Of course, I've put in the dimensions as well so that people can know that if it'll fit in their living room or not. The age, this one is 10 plus years. Usage has been used normally. Condition, I would say it is good. Mounting type, so this one is a floor mount, for example. Here you can enter the product dimensions as we had put in here as well. Just make sure you go ahead and pick the units as well from there. We have chosen the color as well. Everything with the asterisk is required, as well as this one. This is the location where they'll be picking it up from. So we'll come here, use this, and you can just make sure your pin is in the right location, and then come here, click on next. There you go. Proceed. It will be saved as our home address. That's fine. We'll proceed with that. And now on the next page, they'll send you a one-time password to your phone to verify it. And once you verify it, this ad will be posted. That is how to sell furniture on Dubizzle.